So in a moment, I'm going to show you step by step how to create your first campaign and how to start driving some traffic to your Clickbank offers. Now they have different traffic variation, just like Google. Google has YouTube ads, search ads, okay, media buys, etc. So Bidvertiser has different variations of traffic as well, okay. Now, whenever you drive traffic, you will have to add some balance. As you can see, I've got a balance down here of $11.45. So before, if you don't add balance, then you're not going to able to drive any kind of traffic. The good part about this traffic source that you could also do geo targeting. Okay, so you could also drive traffic from a specific country. And also, the good part is that you could promote CPA offers, and also you could do Clickbank direct linking with this traffic source. Even though I don't recommend that, I recommend always building a list. Okay, so let's just dive into this. Create a new campaign, and when you create a new campaign, you're going to have different type of traffic methods: direct ads, pop under ads, native ads, okay, push ads, contextual ads. Now it explains everything. Direct ads, here's the description of the direct ads. What does direct ads mean? Okay, so basically, you probably know expired domains. So when there's an expired domain, when anyone visits that link, they will be redirected to the traffic, to the offer that you're about to promote. Pop under ads, if you just click on it, it will explain exactly what pop under ads is. Native ads, you probably know what native ads is. Those image banners that you've probably seen on these big news website like CNN.com. Those image that's attracting people to click on it. Those are called native ads. Push ads, it's explained all of it down here. Contextual pops, it's all explained here. So we're just going to stick to direct ads. So basically, I'm just going to teach you how to create a quick campaign with direct ads, and then you could become a bit more creative and think outside the box in which ad you want to go for, and then start your campaign. Now remember, because this is a paid traffic source, it's going to take some time before you could see some results. So you need to wet your feet a bit, and you need to see what's working, where you're getting the traffic from. So it's very easy with Clickbank. Okay, so I'm just going to show you in a moment what to do to find out if you're getting enough traffic, and also if people are heading to the order form to really purchase the product. Okay, so let's just stick to direct ads. So you can see here is giving me a lot of daily impressions. How much? 41 million daily impressions. Okay, cost per visitor 0.001 cents. Very cheap traffic. Okay, I could target desktop, I could target create mobile ad, and I am just going to stick to desktop. So I'm going to click on create desktop ad. Okay, and I could choose the countries down here. So I could choose multiple countries, or I could stick to one country. I'm just going to stick to United States for now. Okay, I'm going to go to next. And then down here, it's going to allow you to target. Now, this could be run on network. Run on network basically means you're going to get very huge amounts of traffic, and you're going to get thousands and thousands of visitors within minutes. Okay, I don't recommend that because it's going to be very untargeted traffic, and you're not going to make any money. So we're going to just stick to contextual targeting. So basically, we're going to add some categories in this case. So our offer, we just went to Clickbank and we checked what offer is. It's all about woodwork, so we're going to look for woodwork down here if you could find something all about woodworking. Okay, so let's see what can we find. Okay, so there you go, hobbies and interests, woodwork. So I'm going to click on that, and there you go. It's just going to target woodworking people. This makes it very targeted. You could also add keywords as well. So all keyword related to how to do woodworking, Ted's woodworking, etc. Okay, so you could test both side and see which one's working for you. I'm doing categories for now, and then I'm just going to click on done selecting. All right. Just go to next, continue, and there you go. This is how much it's going to cost me. Okay, the minimum bid is 0.0125 cents. Okay, now the daily budget minimum is $5. So just say you had $5 budget, and your traffic, the minimum recommended bid is 0.0125. That's like approximately 500 visitors a day for just $5. Okay, now I'm not going to just do 0.0125. I'm going to do 0.0145. You know why? Because so I'm ahead of the competition, and I could get a little more traffic other than better more than other people, because there are going to be so many people who are driving traffic using the same niche, same category, etc. So I want to make sure I'm ahead of the competition. So instead of doing the recommended minimum bid, which is 0.0125, which is okay, I want to do a bit more higher, so I'm way ahead of the competition. Okay. Now this is still good because this is approximately 450 visitors for just $5. Okay. And it's not, even if you don't make a single penny with $5, you know, you're starting to wet your feet and you're getting the idea exactly what's happening with my traffic. What are people are going to visit the order forms? Are they checking the order forms out? If you're seeing a lot of order form impression counts, then most likely you're going to make a lot of money as well, because when the people keep on checking the order form impression, there is going to be someone, one out in every 20, 30, 40, 50, whatever, buying the product. Okay, so we're going to click on next, and then when you click on next, this is where you're going to add your creative. So I'm going to just name my ad here Ted's Woodwork. Okay, now because I'm not doing a make money online offer, I'm not going to add my landing page. Remember, otherwise I would always build a list. You want to build a list. The money is in the list. Okay, I'm going to come here, I'm going to click on the promote button. All right, and I'm going to put BV. That's it. Here's my hop link. Okay, this traffic source allows you to do direct linking as well, and I believe that this traffic source works extremely good with free offers, trial offers, and CPA offers, which is the submit offers, zip submit offers. Okay, but you could still test it on your side because they have made a lot of changes. What I'm talking about is the previous version of this traffic source, when they had the PPC traffic inside as well. So they had a PPC model, pay per click model, where you bid for keywords and then people click according to that keyword and then you get traffic. In that model, according to my experience, it was working absolutely great for CPA offers, free offers, and trial offers. But this is a brand new model. They have different type of traffic now, so I can't give you any idea how it's going to work with CPA, free trial, and trial offers. Okay, so there you go. I'm not building a list because this is a woodworking niche. I'm not more interested in woodworking, so I'm just doing it with direct linking. But if you're more passionate about the woodworking niche, I highly recommend you build a list. So you need to have a lead magnet page where you could capture the information. Okay, down here you're just gonna select this. I'm gonna keep it to mainstream, and frequency filter I'm gonna keep it to 8 hours. You could put it to 24 hours. It just basically means that how many times you want the one visitor to see your offer. So I want one visitor to see my offer once in 8 hours. Okay, so after 8 hours he might see it again. So if you put 24 hours, then obviously the traffic is going to get less and less because it's hard for them to filter unique traffic. Okay, so you're just going to click on next. All right, and down here you're going to put your budget, $5. That's great. And then you're going to click on next, and then it's going to go into pending, and then your campaigns are going to get approved. Okay, so this is how simple and easy it is to create your first Clickbank offer campaign using this cheap traffic source I just showed you. You just need to become a bit more creative and willing to spend a bit of money to wet your feet and test different options that you could have that could potentially get you to insane amounts of results and commissions. Okay, that's how simple this was is. And the best part is that if you're on a very, very low and minimum budget, okay, and you don't want to spend any money for funnels and basically creating an autoresponder, lead magnet page, even though this is part of the business and it is essential to have a lead magnet page and building a list and having an autoresponder for a long-term success. But if you don't want to do that, this is an option for you to direct linking, even though there's no guarantee of results, no promise of results. Okay, it's just something that there's no guarantee of results with any traffic source, whether it's free, whether it's paid. It's all about testing. You have to keep on testing. You don't know which one's going to become a winner campaign for you, and you just start making a lot of cool money. Okay, so that's all for now.